We have been conducting studies in nanotechnology in the nanolaboratory Nantes in Bolesławiec and in the Stomodent company. What constitutes one of the effects of these studies is water with a changed structure, which we refer to as nanowater. We organise the structure of this water thanks to its processing in a low-temperature plasma reactor, which gives the water properties which occur in the natural environment, yet not in the ordinary water we use every day. For the last few years, the effects of our studies have been subject to verification at several universities and research centres. The results of these studies confirm the vast possibilities of use of the Nantes nanowater in medicine, cosmetology, agriculture, industry or other fields. It contributes to the death of neoplastic cells, faster growth of plants and better penetration of the skin by cosmetics. Nanowater may help, and it is our basic objective to use it to help people. Therefore, we make available not only the effects of our works, but also the nanowater itself.
Dotychczasowe nasze badania.
Our current research and its results confirm the fact that nanowater is not harmful, just the opposite. It shows considerable potential for organism regeneration, plant growth and environment protection. Nantes water with its changed structure does not freeze at 0 degrees, does not boil at 100 degrees and has a low surface tension. These are only some of the striking characteristics which attract attention to our invention. Its more important features are these proved by scientific research. We introduce the process of change of water structure with the use of low-resolution plasma with appropriately chosen parameters. During this process, the water shows a slight glow, which is both a characteristic and unique fact. What constitutes an effect of such radiation is declustering, breaking the extensive hydrogen bonds, leaving only the microsystems with a smaller size, thanks to which some of the characteristics of the water may change. The functionality of this technology has been confirmed in positive results of water collected for analysis after the processing. It is worth emphasising that resonance action of low-temperature plasma with matter may, after an appropriate parameter selection, have influence not only on water but also on metal alloys, modifying their parameter. Thanks to plasma radiation, it is possible to increase mechanical resistance of alloys even by 30% in relation to the condition before the processing.
Badania nad właściwościami fizykochemicznymi wody obrabianej plazmą niskotemperaturową.
The studies of physical and chemical characteristics of water, processed with the use of low-temperature plasma, conducted in Stomodent, have revealed modification of permittivity and modification of the light refraction coefficient. The studies were also confirmed at the University of Wrocław. In addition, we have observed a better gas solubility, better emulsion and suspension forming. Studies on plants treated with nanowater show a better growth and development.
Ich dojrzewanie.
The studies have revealed a considerable modification of permittivity and ionic strength, notable change of colour and thickness, as well as the light refraction coefficient and increased ability to form emulsions and suspensions. The Chair and Department of Pharmaceutical Botanics and the Department of Clinical Genetics, Medical University in Lublin, have examined the influence of nanowater on vitality of neoplastic cells. Conclusions. In the cell culture on a base subject to the low-temperature plasma, decrease in culture population was observed. These studies will be developed in relation to leukemia and other neoplasma treatment. The Histology and Embryology Department of the Medical University in Białystok, Cell Biostructure Chair, has proven neoplastic cell death and inhibition of their development in its research. One of the observations is inhibition of cell divisions after treatment of declustered water and influence of this water on cell apoptosis, death of the cells. The Experimental Pharmacology Department of the Medical University in Białystok has proven that physiological saline after plasma treatment eliminates cells with damaged DNA, which allows selection of cells with uniform and regular DNA, and at the same time improvement of functioning of tissues and organs. These studies have also confirmed the fact of neoplastic cell and leukemia cell death under the influence of nanowater.
Nanowoda, czyli woda zdeklastrowana.
Nanowater, in other words, declustered water, causes programmed death in neoplastic cells by inducing their apoptosis. It is a very interesting effect, all the more so because it is objective, assessed by machines, repeated numerous times.
Maszynami powtarzalnie wielokrotnie.
However, this is not the end of studies on Nantes nanowater. The Chair of Detailed Plant Growth of the University of Life Sciences in Lublin have examined bean and winter rye crops. After the use of Nantes declustered water, it was observed that the crop increased by more than 50%. The Laboratory of Physiochemistry of Dielectrics and Magnetics of the Faculty of Chemistry of the University of Warsaw has confirmed the absence of dangerous radicals in nanowater. Wrocław University of Technology Environment Protection Engineering Institute has confirmed the absence of negative characteristics of nanowater, no toxicity, and the fact that the water after plasma processing considerably and positively influences plant growth. University of Agriculture in Krakow and University of Life Sciences in Lublin have examined application of nanowater as a potential factor of result improvement in the scope of conservation and storage of gametes. It turned out that application of water after plasma processing increases the vitality of the stored sperm by more than 30% in relation to the current solutions.
Z otwartymi ramionami czekamy.
With arms wide open, we await all people and institutions which would like to participate in our project. We are searching for cooperation in all sectors and each business activity. We believe that the more people get engaged in this project, the more possible it will be to popularise it.
Ten projekt, tym będzie możliwa szersza jego popularyzacja.
The current successes of nanolaboratory Nantes and Stomadent are not only patenting the methods of introducing neoplastic cells in atrophy condition or methods of production of artificial saliva. With great success, the company used the Nantes nanowater in cosmetology. Nantes has created a wide range of innovative cosmetics and has been awarded numerous times for cosmetics based on water with chain structure. Their market success is further evidence of Nantes nanowater's great application and potential. You can find more information on studies on nanowater on www.nantes.com.pl. You can find more information on Nantes Cosmetics on www.cosmetiki.nantes.com.pl. Internet store with Nantes Cosmetics can be found on www.nantes.pl.